Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Amy, and I will be your teacher today. Here you will find a series of training videos that will strengthen your abilities to navigate the Curveseries desktop software and its features. In this video, you will be introduced to our unique spread query. Curveseries is built by traders for traders, and we understand that in most scenarios you would like to see your analytics as some kind of spread, whether it is an arbitrage, a time spread, or a spread between two products. Once your desktop software is launched and you have created your first personal dashboard, you right-click on the tab and choose New Historical Chart. In the area on the right, you right-click and choose the Spread Query. In here, you can choose what kind of chart you want to create: a rolling forward chart or a rolling month chart, also known as a continuation chart. Pick Product 1 and Period 1, followed by Product 2 and Period 2, in any combination. This will allow you flexibility in your charting and analytics. Once you have chosen your products, you click Save and the system automatically creates the formula that will pull out your chart. All charts in Curveseries are powered by a formula that can be tweaked and modified to your wishes. But the spread query allows you to create charts fast and have the system build out the initial formulas. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Did you know that Curveseries also allows you to overlay multiple time series, including the forward curves? If not, check out more of our tutorials here at the Curveseries Academy. I wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.